Maharashtra, wherein a major relief to the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. He and his family have been cleared of Benami property ownership allegations. An order in this regard was passed by the Prevention of Benami Property Transactions Appellate Tribunal after Pawar was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister on Thursday. After the order, the Income Tax Department on Friday cleared properties worth over 1,000 crores that were sealed in 2021 during searches. The case dates back to 7th of October 2021 when the IT department raided several locations linked to Ajit Pawar and his family. It was alleged that they held properties through Benami transactions. The department had seized properties which included multiple land parcels across Maharashtra, a flat in Delhi, Jarandeshwar sugar factory in Satara, and a resort in Goa. Meanwhile, the opposition has attacked the Mahayuti, asking if this is the zero tolerance towards corruption they had promised.
क्लीन चिट तो मिलनी ही है ना। प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल को मिली, अजीत दादा पवार को मिली, अब नवाब मलिक को मिलेंगी। बात ऐसी है कि 1000 करोड़ की बेनामी संपत्ति उनकी जब्त हो गई थी। आंकड़ा सुन लीजिए, 1000 करोड़। प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल, उनकी लगभग 300 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी ईडी ने जब्त की थी, लेकिन बीजेपी में चले गए। प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल की प्रॉपर्टी मुक्त हो गई, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का धब्बा निकाल दिया, वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल दिया, 300 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी फ्री कर दी। अजीत दादा पवार कल शपथ ली बीजेपी के साथ मोदी जी के उपस्थिति में।
Well, it is not astonishing or something very surprising.
Right.
It's a common agenda of a BJP.
But here we see that first it was Prafull Patel and now it's Ajit Pawar, and it has come just a day after he has taken oath.
But that is what I said.
Yeah.
It is not astonishing or surprising. It has been the agenda.
Here opposition also claims about the mechanism, how the agency functions. How do you read this?
So it's a simple example how the agencies function. Simple example.
This is all a legal matter. Many things are sub judice, and the government and the entire machinery, the judicial matters, I think one should not, always, if you doubt every agency of this country, it is not going to work. You are doubting the ED, you are doubting the Election Commission, you doubt the judiciary. So the opposition will keep doing this because that's the only thing that's left to them now.
Let's go across to my colleague Shweta, who's joining us live at this point. Shweta, once again, the charges of washing machine flying thick from the Mahavikas Aghadi, given that the timing of this clean chit from the IT tribunal to the newly sworn-in Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra is quite suspicious.
Well, that's right, and once again the opposition has been seen hitting out at the Mahayuti alliance, and this time with the case pertaining to Ajit Pawar's alleged Benami property. And here we understand that the appellate tribunal has dismissed the case because of the reason that appellant allegedly they did not prove the case against Ajit Pawar or his family, for that matter Sunetra Pawar and Parth Pawar, when it comes to the Benami property. Now remember, in fact, income tax had raided in 2021 several premises of Ajit Pawar, which included Delhi, Goa, Mumbai property and the sugar factories. And now here we understand that opposition has been claiming that this has come just a day after he has sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Just a short while back, we also heard from Sanjay Raut. He has said that now again the same concept and the allegations of washing machine that has been used by Sanjay Raut. Post that, we have also heard from Jitendra Awad. He goes to the extent of saying that these kind of cases and the dismissal of the case does not surprise him anymore. More to this, while we interacted with Manisha Kainde and Chhagan Bhujbal, they had a clear-cut concept to say that one should not doubt the agencies all the time. In fact, Chhagan Bhujbal also said that this was a long case which was going on, and the tribunal, after hearing from both the advocates, after getting the arguments from both the sides, they have reached to the conclusion, and henceforth the income tax has cleared the properties. Those were earlier attached. Now it's a big relief for Ajit Pawar in this entire case, where we have seen his properties worth 1,000 crore rupees were attached by ED and now by IT, I beg your pardon, and now that has been cleared off.
All right. Thanks a lot for joining us, Shweta, with those details. But stay